Are you getting this error after you log in? Stick around, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Okay, so about 2 weeks ago, I came across a few computers that I was working on, and especially Windows 10. Every time I log in, I'll get an error. It'll say temporary profile not able to unload, sign out. In this episode, I'm going to break down how to fix it. There's two options. Hopefully the first option will fix it without losing any data. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to verify that we are on a temporary profile. So we're going to bring up the command prompt by using the cmd command. Okay, so right here, you'll see it says c:\users\temp. So we are in the temporary profile. Okay, so let's close the command prompt and we're going to go into the registry. Yes, so now in the registry, what we're going to do is we're going to back up the registry. Always make a backup on your registry before you do any changes. So here we're going to go File, we're going to export. We're just going to export the registry to the desktop. We're going to call it backup. Okay, export range, we're going to go all, we're going to save it. Okay, so on top is the path where you're going to want to go to. You can pause the video to see where the path is, or I'll have the path list down in the description in the video. Okay, so you're going to click on the profile list. You're going to notice these two GUIDs, we call them, or SIDs, sorry, it's SIDs, security identifiers. So here you're going to see the .bac mean back. So you'll notice that the profile image path is pointing at user 2. So that is my actual user profile. The other one is the temp. So we're not worried about the temp. We're going to destroy it here in a minute. So over here, we're going to say .back. So here, what we're going to do is we're going to delete this. Yes. Now, right here, we're going to rename this folder. All we're going to do is we're going to take out the .back and hit enter. Now, you got to make sure the profile image path is pointing to the correct user profile folder, which is user 2, or whatever username you have when you log in. And another thing is the state, make sure the value data is 0. Sometimes the value data will be different numbers. Erase it and make it as 0. Hit OK. Close registry. And then restart your computer or laptop. Okay, so after you sign in, you can verify that you're on the right account by going to the command prompt again. Hit enter. And there we go, user 2. We're on the right profile. There's one thing we got to do. We'll go to the user profile folders by going to this PC, C drive, users. And we're going to delete the temp folder. Okay, that is it. If you got this far, good job. So if you're still having issues after that, option 2 is to create a new profile. So you're going to open computer management. So in computer management, make sure for this to work, you're going to have Pro Edition 10 or 11. If you have home, you're going to do it through right here, add edit or remove other users on this device, you're going to go there to add the user. So here we're going to go into users folder. You're just going to do a new user, create the user, and that's it. After you create the user, make sure you log in with that user. You're going to go to that folder, the user profile folder. Okay, so you're going to have two folders here. You're going to go into the new one, and then from there, you're going to open another File Explorer by right-clicking this folder. Go to File Explorer, so you're going to have two of them. Okay, open both user profiles, one on one File Explorer, the other one on the other File Explorer, and you're going to grab the desktop by clicking Control, the documents, downloads, and then you're going to drag it and put it into your new user profile. So you're keeping all your data, so you're not losing anything. So I hope that helps. And for more tips, tricks, and strategy guides, be sure to subscribe and turn that bell notification on. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.